specializing in computer vision, studying brain
science communication
and scientific culture.
In neuroscience, so using this weird helmet stuff.
So how the brain is connected.
electronics.
I am biologist in creative processes and how are distributed.
I'm a psychologist, and I will send you questionnaires.
Process design and experience design. I think and work as a dancer.
World building, narrative building, storytelling, script writing, these sorts of things.
Audiovisual engineering, physical theater.
Immersiveness and also how to engage a crowd.
Theater creation.
Multimedia performances.
Biology and neuroscience.
Performing arts.
Experimental music composer.
Art director.
Computer science background. Film and commercial.
Moldes aplicados a la escultura.
Electronic arts.
I am actress. I know how to dance.
Fine arts and history of art.
History of contemporary art.
Moving my body in weird ways.
Augmented reality and projection mapping.
Investigation, theater and research.
Contemporary dance, contact improvisation.
Multidisciplinary artist.
Actress and performer, dance and singing, contemporary dance.